Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password for your Teachable account. Changing your password on Teachable is a straightforward process, so let's begin. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and then type in teachable.com in the URL box. Make sure that you are logged into your Teachable account after entering your login credential. Once you are logged into your account, from the home page, go to the bottom left corner and click on your name. Now, click the settings button on the left-hand side menu. It'll take you to this profile details page where you will be able to see your full name and email addresses option. To change your password, click the change password link. Now, enter the new password you are trying to change to. Re-enter the password in the next field and on the last box, type in your current password. Finally, click on Save Changes and you will be able to change your password for your Teachable account. Next time you log into your account, you'll now need to enter the newly updated password. So that's how you easily change your password for Teachable. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.